In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit, delete, and clear custom attributes. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then choose Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Custom. From the drop-down menu, choose Attributes. You should arrive at your Attributes page. Before making any edits, make sure you're working with the correct set of attributes. If you click the arrow beneath Attributes, you can choose to edit attributes for employees, stations, clients, locations, and shifts. I'm going to stay on Employee. Next, select the attribute you want to edit. I will choose Time. I can edit the name of this attribute. Maybe I'll put Time Test. I could also change the attribute type. If I click the arrow next to Input Type, I can choose Number, Date, or Time. With time, that's going to show a time clock that you have to choose. Date is going to give you the option to choose a specific date. Number will create a field where you can only enter numbers. And if I choose this blank box up here, that will create an empty text box that will allow me to enter in anything that I want to. So maybe I'll go ahead and leave that empty. I could also enter in a pattern. Next, decide what type of access you want your employees to have for this attribute. If I click the arrow next to Employee Access, I can choose None, View, or Edit. I'll leave this on View. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. And now your changes have been saved. That's how you can edit a time attribute. Let's say that I redid this time attribute and I want to delete all of the data for it because that old data is no longer going to be applicable. To do that, make sure you have the correct attribute selected. I'll go ahead and leave this on Time Test. Then choose Clear Values. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete all of the data for this attribute. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I will choose OK. And now every employee who has this attribute no longer has any information filled out in it. That's how you can clear data for custom attributes. Let's say that I changed my mind and I don't want this attribute at all. Select the attribute you would like to delete, then choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this attribute. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that custom attribute has been deleted. That's how you can edit, clear, and delete custom attributes in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to export organization data.